We can distinguish between daemon threads, which perform background tasks like activity logging, resource monitoring, and autosaving, from core threads, which perform operations that are essential to the application's primary objectives. Because a background task should stop when the primary tasks are finished, it follows that a daemon thread automatically shuts down when the core threads have finished executing. Start by downloading the course materials from my GitHub repository, whose link I will leave you inside the description. Once you do, extract the contents of your zip and drag the Daemon Threads starter project inside of your preferred development environment. I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. All right. We can go ahead and open up main.java. So here, to keep things brief, we've got two threads. A memory-intensive task thread that's going to perform a very computationally intensive task. And as it's performing this task, another thread is going to be running in the background and monitoring the memory usage. So if I were to press run, here we can see that as the memory-intensive task is running, the memory usage steadily increases. I'm going to let this run for a few more seconds. And we can see that after we're done the memory-intensive task thread, the memory usage remains constant. Because the purpose of this thread was to monitor how much memory this thread is consuming, it doesn't make sense for it to keep running after this thread is finished. So what we're going to do is keep things very simple. We're just going to say memory monitor thread dot set daemon true. If I execute the code now, here we can see as the memory-intensive task thread is performing a very expensive task, the memory usage is steadily increasing, which is something we're monitoring using this thread. All right, and as soon as our core threads are finished executing their tasks, so this includes the main thread and the memory-intensive task thread, the daemon thread automatically shuts down. And this makes sense because memory monitoring is a background task that should automatically shut down when all of the primary tasks are finished. And that's really it. So to recap, because a daemon thread is meant to perform background tasks like logging, monitoring, autosaving, or session management, or so on, it automatically shuts down when the core threads are finished executing their primary objectives. This lesson is also available in article format on Learn the Part, whose link I will leave you inside the description. Alright, see you in the next one.